Greetings, Bible nerds! It is I, your friendly neighborhood Christian comic artist, Artsy, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd. Yes, hello, and greetings. So this is page 23, still working on page 23 out of 24, and I'm embarrassed by this hand. I'm embarrassed by it. I'm going to erase it. I was looking at it while I was editing. This needs to go. This hand needs to go. All hands must go. 50% off. This one is 100% off. This is from the fingers to the wrist. Has to go. Been having a lot of trouble with hands recently. For those of you who are art geeks, if you're not looking at reference, your brain is not going to be able to remember all of the muscles. You're not going to be able to remember all of the bones and the muscles, especially in hands. Hands have a ridiculous amount of bones and muscles in various positions they could possibly. So these hands took a very long time for me to put all that. There's an arm there, there's a hand at the end of that arm, there's 4 hands on the arm itself, grabbing and pulling. So yeah, hands are no joke, artists. Do not take hands lightly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some light. Darkest knuckles should be at the bottom. And then we're going to lighten them up a little bit, one at a time. Don't forget the joints. Don't forget to shave the joints. I'm a big fan. Our household favorite version of this song is by 10th Avenue North. The music video is shot as if it was a high school play, and the play itself is shot as if it was a what do you call it? A pop-up book. So those books where you open the book and images pop out. So the band members are lifted up. They down, they're lying down, and then they're lifted up as if they're unfolding as a pop-up book. And the version of the song rocks, really rocks. That's what I wake up my teenager with. Teenager doesn't get out of bed. The only remedy is loud music. Oh, speaking of children, my daughter is done with finals, and instead of coming home tomorrow, will be coming home tonight. some. Won't go. Won't go. Won't go. Ah. Ah. So you ever have one of those days? Uh, so work is kind of slow because of the holidays. And you're expecting the holidays to be slow, kind of, and you've got your laptop at home because you're expecting nobody to call. And then, I mean, I even had some things planned to do at home while I was waiting for no calls to appear. And then you get calls. You get people who need you. I guess it's nice to be needed. Just wish I wasn't needed so much. It's not necessarily always nice to be needed. Worked a long time on these hands. Sort of look like bamboo. It's giving me a bamboo feeling. Yes, yes, I'm doing it. Look, Mom, I'm doing it. Now have an angel